How to save Snapchat photo permanently. Saving Snapchat photo permanently involves saving them to your device camera roll, saving them to Snapchat memory, or exporting your data, ensuring they do not disappear after viewing. What you want to do is, if you want to save it to your camera roll, first of all, you can configure Snapchat to save your photo directly to your device's gallery. All you need is open your Snapchat app on your device, after which you want to go to the chat section or press the Bitmoji from the top left corner and press the gear icon at the top right. When you go to this section, you then need to select settings and go to memories from the list. You could find it in my account as well. You could type in memories and make sure that smart backup and save the camera roll button is toggled on. Once you've actually done this, you should be able to save the photo permanently. And likewise, if you want to save to Snapchat memories, before sending, you could tap on the send button. Now, for example, if you're gonna take a snap like this, you could tap the save button at the bottom left corner of the screen, and this way as well you could save Snapchat photo permanently. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.